Hello students, whenever we'll say about the WBJEE examination, first which is coming to the mind, this is nothing but the Jadavpur University. So JEU is one of the famous university in the country, and for WBJEE, if we can do the very good in mathematics, because here continuously I told you, and again I am telling you today, that it is a game changer is the mathematics in this case, and there are 75 number of questions, and once we can answer number of questions, and with this one thing I forgot to tell you, that with this there are weightage marks associated with the mathematics. So therefore we have to answer a lot of questions, and since 75 number of questions, so there are some chapters from which lot means 2-3 questions are coming, out of which most important chapter is this definite integral. Today we'll solve one very important sum on the definite integral, where 5 properties will be required. First 5 properties, where king property, queen property, all are required for, and more important that this sum, its every step is important for the examination WBJEE questions. Okay, so let's start solving the sum. So in this case, the question is 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x, and all the 5 properties, including king property and queen property, because in WBJEE so much property is not needed like JEE main examination, but king property, queen property, or even properties, these are the very important property for the WBJEE examination, mainly king and queen property. So this is a sum where just 4 to 5 properties are associated. So let's start solving the sum. In this case, first of all, let I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x. So first of all, once again I am telling you that what is a king property? King's property is 0 to a fx dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx, and in maximum number of sum in last 6 years questions are coming in WBJEE in definite integral, this king property is used. So this is extremely important, everybody. This is very important property, very important property for this type of exam. So what we'll do here, that is 0 to pi by 2 log of sin pi by 2 minus x, that is sin pi by 2 minus x, that is coming to be cos x. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x. So I equal to log of sin x, I equal to log of cos x. So I plus I 2i if we add, and we know that log m plus log n equal to log mn, that is the properties of the log. Therefore I can write here 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x plus 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x equal to coming what? 0 to pi by 2 log m plus log n log mn log sin x cos x. Log sin x cos x. So we have to make it sin 2x, and we know the formula sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. So what I can do here, I can multiply here 2, so balance by 2. Therefore we are getting here 0 to pi by 2, 2i equal to, this is I plus I 2i, this is 2i, I plus I 2i, this is I, that is also I, so I plus I, this is coming to be 2i. So 2i equal to log sin 2x minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. So this is the conclusion we got, that is 2i equal to this portion. Okay, same thing I am writing again. So 2i equal to 2i equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of same step I am writing, log of sin 2x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Now this obviously I am taking outside, dx integration is log a, dx integration is x, so 0 to pi by 2 x, that is upper limit and lower limit, directly you are getting this. And for this what you have to do, in this case, first of all, for this only, for this part I am just changing directly, log 2 is outside, and 0 to pi by 2 dx integration, that is dx integration, that is coming to be x, that is 0 to pi by 2. So upper limit minus lower limit. So log 2 into pi by 2. This side this is coming, right? So I am writing next step. Once again I am writing the step 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x dx minus pi by 2 log 2. Now we have to replace, because we have started with sin x and now it is coming sin 2x. Therefore, let's do one thing, everybody. Let's do here, let 2x equal to t as x tend to 0. So t tend to 0. Now, since we have replaced that coordinate, therefore we have to change limit also. Limit ka matlab upper limit and lower limit. So what we'll do here? Put x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, so t equal to 0, and when x equal to pi by 2, t equal to 2 into pi by 2. I am not cancelling because I use the queen property after some time. Again, I have to multiply 2. So unnecessary, I am not cancelling here. Okay. Therefore, I can write here. Therefore, 2i equal to 0 to 2 into pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2 log of sin t dt, and dx is dx equal to dt by 2. Dx equal to dt by 2. This 2 is half is coming outside, minus pi by 2 log 2 we are getting. What we'll do here? Your name is not the problem. This is dt. So this is coming to be dt. So if your name is not the problem, so we can write here, definite integral is nothing but the state function or perfect differential. It means it depends on upper limit and lower limit. Middle mein kya, what is going on, it's not the problem at all. So in this case, instead of t, I can write x. So name is not the problem. Therefore, we can say here that is half 0 to 2 into pi by 2 log sin x dx minus pi by 2 log 2. Now I am going to apply the queen property. I am going to apply the queen property. So everybody, what is the queen property? The queen property is telling that 0 to 2a fx dx equal to 2 into 0 to a fx dx if and only if f of 2a minus x equal to fx. It means if and only if f of 2a minus x equal to fx. It means if 2a is pi, so in this case sin pi minus x is sin x. So this function is given in the set. So I can take these two outside according to the queen property. This is called the queen property. Therefore, 2i equal to half these two is coming out. These two is coming out. So half into 2, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx minus pi by 2 log 2. So I can say this is 2.5 is getting cancelled. This is I already have taken sin x. So previously I can show you that this is I have taken. Therefore we can say here 2i equal to I minus pi by 2 log 2. So 2i minus I equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. Therefore, we can say here 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x is minus pi by 2 log 2. So this kind of sum, more importantly, definite integral ka that what is called that King's property is extremely important. So everybody stay connected. I'll give lot of such videos on WBJEE. Remember one thing, for WBJEE, maths is the most important part.